The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi is a marvel of modern Islamic architecture and one of the most stunning landmarks in the United Arab Emirates. As the sun rises over the city, the mosque's pristine white domes and towering minarets glisten in the soft morning light, creating a scene of serenity and grandeur. From the moment you step onto its grounds, the atmosphere exudes a sense of peace and awe. Approaching the mosque, you are greeted by immaculately landscaped gardens and reflective pools that mirror its majestic silhouette. The symmetry and precision of the mosque's design immediately captivate the eye. The exterior is adorned with white marble sourced from Greece and Macedonia, giving it a radiant and timeless appearance. Intricate floral patterns, crafted with precious stones, add a touch of color and elegance to the facade. As you enter through the grand archways, the sheer scale of the interior takes your breath away. The main prayer hall, capable of accommodating over 7,000 worshippers, is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. A colossal chandelier, crafted from Swarovski crystals and gold-plated brass, hangs majestically from the ceiling. Its dazzling brilliance casts a warm glow over the space, highlighting the exquisite details of the mosque's architecture. The carpet beneath your feet is one of the largest hand-knotted carpets in the world, meticulously crafted by artisans from Iran. The intricate patterns and vibrant hues create a visual tapestry that complements the grandeur of the space. Every element of the mosque's interior has been thoughtfully designed to create an atmosphere of spiritual reflection and beauty. Walking through the colonnades, the marble pillars catch your attention with their mother-of-pearl inlays. The craftsmanship is impeccable, a testament to the skill and dedication of the artisans who brought this architectural wonder to life. The play of light and shadow across the surfaces creates a dynamic visual experience that changes with the time of day. Stepping out onto the mosque's expansive courtyard, you are surrounded by rows of pristine arches and columns. The courtyard is one of the largest open spaces in any mosque worldwide, its polished marble surface reflecting the sky above. The vastness of the space invites you to pause and take in the sheer magnificence of the mosque. As the day progresses and the sun begins its descent, the mosque undergoes a breathtaking transformation. The setting sun bathes the domes and minarets in hues of gold and amber, creating a magical atmosphere. The reflective pools enhance the beauty of the scene, capturing the mosque's image in perfect symmetry. At night, the mosque is illuminated by a sophisticated lighting system that mimics the phases of the moon. The soft glow enhances its ethereal beauty, making it appear almost otherworldly. The tranquil ambiance is heightened as worshippers gather for evening prayers, their voices echoing through the halls in a harmonious chorus. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is not only a place of worship, but also a symbol of unity and inclusivity. It welcomes visitors from all backgrounds, offering guided tours that provide insight into Islamic culture and architecture. The mosque's mission to foster understanding and harmony is evident in every detail of its design and operation. A visit to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is a journey of discovery and inspiration. It is a place where faith, art, and architecture converge to create an experience that transcends boundaries. Whether you are drawn by its architectural splendor, its spiritual significance, or its message of unity, the mosque leaves an indelible impression on all who visit. The memory of its grandeur and serenity lingers long after you have left, calling you back to its tranquil embrace.